Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Driveway Detail. Today what we have in for a full detail is a Mitsubishi Outlander, and it's not too awful, but definitely needs a little bit of work. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So to begin this detail, I'll start off by cleaning off all the wheels and tires. And the product I'm using here is Meguiar's Wheel and Tire Cleaner. And as you guys can see, it does a fantastic job at cutting down the grime that's accumulated on these tires. After having the wheels cleaned, I'll jump on and start washing the exterior of the car, making sure to use the 2-bucket method and to rinse my mitt after about every 2 panels. One tip I always recommend doing is to remove the license plates from the car, because there's always usually a ton of grime hiding behind it that needs to be removed. After having the outside completely washed, I moved on to the drying process, making sure to be really thorough to minimize the chance of water spots. Then after having the outside dry, I'll jump onto the interior and start vacuuming. Once I have the carpets all vacuumed out, I'll jump on and start shampooing the floor mats. And the carpet on the inside was in good condition, however there was some spots in the back seats that needed to be shampooed, so I took care of those as well. After the carpets are finished up, I'll move on to cleaning the seats as well as the door panels in the dash area. And for the seats, I just used some all-purpose cleaner and followed it up with a soft bristle brush to agitate and bring out as much of the grime as possible. The product I use to clean interior surfaces is an all-purpose cleaner from Chemical Guys. Then I followed up with their UV protectant called Silk and Shine. A couple of you guys brought it to my attention that I need to start cleaning the top edges of the windows, so I did include that in this video. Another thing I included is something I do on all my exterior details, and that's the clay bar process to remove any of the contamination that's bonded to the paint. And a little tip to know if your car needs to be clay barred is put your hand in a Ziploc bag and gently glide it across the paint. And if it feels like sandpaper like this one did, then it definitely needs to be clay barred. If you guys are interested in doing this to your own car, I have this kit linked in the description below, and it has enough clay to do about 4 cars, so feel free to check it out. And to finish this one up, I just went around and applied some tire shine to all the tires. But that's going to be it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please hit that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel and you love seeing detailing videos, make sure you subscribe. I upload 2 to 3 detailing videos a week and you don't want to miss them. And as always, enjoy the before and after shots coming up.